I have Amy with me today, and she has such beautiful hair. Her hair really has not been colored in about 6 months or so, and she just did like 6 end shades on it before. So she pretty much doesn't have anything on her hair. I am so excited to have her today because I really wanted to demonstrate a pops and placement. So this is such a signature placement for me. What pops and placements is it's a foliage technique that's really great for brunettes, and it's going to include my kind of measurement system of high, medium, low, back-to-backing foils, and that is to create a tapered highlight where it's skinny at the top and gets wider at the bottom. So in this video, I want to go over how to really frame the face, create connection all the way through layers. That's always going to be a theme throughout our videos because I think it's really important. I also want to talk about where to leave depth in order to create a big impact, and that's to pop your highlight, because the light needs to sit next to dark in order for it to stand out and look really defined. Through the top, vertical, this way, and that's going to fall the light, the dark, light. They'll be all very defined. And then the back, I'll just kind of match what's going on the sides and do horizontal here as well. I'm gonna go for a level 8 beige gold. And to achieve that, I'm going to start with Redken Flashlift and 20 volume. Okay, so we are ready to start sectioning her out. To start in the back, foiling. I'm going to be using some big foils. We've got our Redken Flashlift with 20 volume mixed up, ready to go. I'm just gonna split this down in the middle. Perfect. And we're going to do a series of 3 back-to-back foils, and they're going to be painted higher, lower, and then lower. Do about 3 or 4 fingers from the section line. Lots of product, lots of saturation is the key to success here. And then in here, we can do our sandy horizontal woven pieces. We are going to start with this little upside down triangle here. I'm teasing from zone 3. I'm going to subdivide from there. Take another little slice. So we're getting back into a classic highlight technique. Puts us about here. So that's a good place for our full saturation to happen. So when you're taking this first section, pull it out, look at about from where you're gonna start painting, and see if you actually have enough density for a highlight. All of these ends here will be solid light. I moved my developer up to 30 volume. Weave that. Just to kind of see how well they're blending, and they actually look awesome. So to get started for toning, I'm just going to put her down in the center back here. It's like more blended, but then underneath those ribbons, and then we have all that depth. This placement is so versatile. I hope you guys love it. If you try it, tag us. I want to see your work. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.